All right, let's do a quick review of surface area here. Surface area is just the area of all the faces around the outside. So like on the one on the left here, we have 6 surfaces. Let's see if I can highlight them here. So we've got the top and the bottom, so that's 1, 2. The front and the back is 3, 4. And then the left and right is 5, 6. So there are 6 spaces that we have to take the area of. Next thing to look at is what shape they are. So these are rectangles. So we're just taking base times height, and we need to just make sure we get all 6 of them. So let's start on the top and bottom. So if I'm looking here, I get a 3 by 10 rectangle. So I got 30 for that one. It turns out that the top is also the same because this 3 kind of carries over here and the 10 kind of carries over there. So I have another one. So I have another 30. That's 2 sides so far. If I go front, let's look at the front here. So the front is 4 by 10. And that gets me 40. Back side's the same because this 4 can carry over there and the 10 carries over there. So I have another 4 times 10, which is 40. And then I am missing the left and right ones. Let's grab another color. So the left and the right, if you look at those, we've got 3 by 4 because this 4 can carry over there. So 3 by 4 and another 3 by 4. And so really surface area is just a whole bunch of areas that we're going to add together. So quick adding these up, we got 60, 140, 52, 64, 164, I believe, inches squared. Which is pretty easy. Again, I think he did it in 6th grade, but just as a quick review. It gets a little bit harder when you get to these ones on the left or on the right. As we look over here, if I am trying to find the area of all of these faces, you need to look at the shape that they are, okay? And it turns out, because this is a pyramid and it comes to a point up here, we actually have 3. Let's see if I can get a pencil here. I've got 3 triangles, 1, 2, and then this back one, 3, and then a triangle on the bottom, okay? So I have 3 triangles going around the outside and a triangle on the bottom, because this is actually called a triangular pyramid. So if I'm keeping track, how many sides is that? Well, I need the triangle on the bottom and then 3 going around the outside. So I need 4 different triangles. And so I'm going to need my triangle formula. Oops, it's supposed to be an H. So I need base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to be a little more careful here. I'm going to go bottom here. So my bottom triangle, if I look at that one, they gave me a right angle here between my 26.8 and my 31. So if I go 26.8 times 31, all divided by 2, I'll grab my calculator. Okay, so 26.8 times 31, all divided by 2. So on the bottom, I get an area of 415.4. Now, if you look at the triangles going all around the outside, they actually are all the same because they tell you that, hey, these are both 31, which can tell me that this is an equilateral triangle down there on the bottom. So the other triangles, let's get them one at a time here. We need to take our base, so that 31 times the height of this guy over here. You guys can see that. 31 by 59, all divided by 2. My calculator back, sorry. 31 times 59 divided by 2 is 914.5. And I actually have 3 of those exact same ones, so I'm going to times that by 3 because I have all of them the same. So So I get 2743.5 for my 3. And that one that I need to add in, 415.4. And so this guy, total area, I'm going to write it up top, is 3158.9 centimeters squared. So that was a quick review of what you guys had done in 6th grade. I'm going to come back and do some more with circles here in just a minute. So be on the lookout for that other one.